Hi everyone! Do you use flashcards in class? This is one of the most popular and effective ways to study and revise. It helps to refresh students' memory, improve their learning skills, and challenge their knowledge. Here are 3 games for using flashcards in class. The fly sorter game. Hop. Create a set of vocabulary cards and stick them on the board. Split the class into 2 teams, each one with a fly sorter. Provide a clue for one of the cards and have fun! The first student to sort the correct card and create a sentence using the item on the flashcard wins the point for his or her team. Twist and shout! Ask students to work in pairs. Like a cowboy duel, students stand back to back and each has an image flashcard on his or her chest. They walk 3 steps and quickly turn around. The first student to say what the other student's flashcard is wins the point. Flashcards path. Split the class in 2 teams and create a path of flashcards on the floor, separating the 2 groups. Both teams make a line at each starting point of the path, and the first person from each team starts jumping next to the flashcard on the path. To advance, they have to say the name of the vocabulary item or make sentences depending on the level of the class. When the players from both teams meet, they play rock, scissors and paper, and the winner continues his or her journey. The team which loses starts all over again with the next person on the line. The team wins when all the players complete the journey and stay on the other side of the path. Did you like the ideas on the video? Do you have any other games for using flashcards in class? Leave us your comment below. See you next time. Bye!